another topic, part-in times. So in this topic we are going to discuss around 5 questions. Okay. So the first question is, a bottle can hold 1.5 liter of water. Then 4 such bottles of water is poured into a jar, and how much water is there in the jar? Okay. So this is a question. So a bottle can hold 1.5 liters of water. One bottle hold 1.5 liter. Then 2 bottle hold, one bottle can hold 1.5 liters. Then 2 bottle can hold 3 liter. Okay, two bottle can hold 3 liter, and 4 bottle can hold 1 bottle hold 1.5 liter, 2 bottle hold 3 liter, and again 4 bottle hold 6 liter. Okay, 6 liter, which means in 1 bottle it will hold 1.5 liter, then 2 bottle 1.5 plus 1.5 3 liter. Okay, so 2 bottle hold 3 liter, again 2 bottle hold 3 plus 3, which means 6 liter. Okay, so this is one method for solving this question, and another method is, here the number of bottles is 4, the amount of water is 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. So 1.5 liter means 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2, which means 3 by 2. So 1.5 means 3 by 2. Then 4 into 3 by 2, which means 4 into 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 means 12 by 2, we get 6 liter. Okay, 6 liter of water. So there are 2 methods for solving this question. Okay, so this is the first question. So here we just multiply a number and a simple fraction. Okay, then another question. Another question. Second question, calculate 3 times of 2 1 by 4. So this is the second question, calculate 3 times of 2 1 by 4. So here times means multiplication. So we just multiply by 2 1 by 4. Okay. And here 2 1 by 4 means we just convert it. 2 into 4 plus 1 by 2. So 2 into 4, 8 plus 1 by 2, which means 9 by 2. Here 4, here 4. Okay. So 9 by 4. So multiply 3 into 9 by 4, we get 3 into 9 by 4, then 27 by 4. Okay, 27 by 4. And we just convert this into fraction. 6 3 by 4, which means 6 into 4, 24, 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Okay, 6 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the second question. Here we just convert 2 1 by 4 into 9 by 4, then multiply 9 by 4 into 3, we get 27 by 4, and when we divide 27 by 4, we get 6 3 by 4 is the answer. And the third question is, calculate 5 times of 3 by 2. Calculate 5 times of 3 by 2. Calculate 5 times of 3 by 2. Okay. And here also 5 into 3 by 2. We just multiply 5 into 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 and a half. Okay, not 3 by 2. 3 and a half. 3 1 by 2. Okay. So the question is mistake. 3 1 by 2. So just multiply 5 into 3 by 2. Okay, 3 half. 3 by not 3 by 2. 3 half. Then here also convert 3 1 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Here 2 into 3 means 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 is the answer. So 5 into 3, 1 by 2 means 7 by 2. Then 5 into 7. 5 into 7 means 5 into 7 divided by 2. 35 by 2. Okay, 35 by 2 means 70 1 by 2. Okay, when we divide 35 by 2, here 70 into 2, 34 plus 1, 70 into 2, 34, 34 plus 1, 35 by 2. When we divide 35 by 2, we get 70 and 1 is the remainder. Okay, 71 by 2. And another question, the fourth question is, 2 1 by 4 into 5. 2 1 by 4 into 5. Calculate 2 1 by 4 into 5. Here also we just convert 2 1 by 4. 4 into 8, 8 plus 1, 10 by 4. Okay. Sorry, 9 by 4. 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Okay. So here 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 into 5. 5 into 9 by 4. So 9 into 5, 45 divided by 4. Okay, 45 divided by 4. So when we convert this 45 by 4, we get, so 11 into 4, 44, 44 plus 1, 45, 45 by 4. Okay. So here we just convert to 1 by 4 into 10 by 4 and multiply by 5, we get 5 into 9 by 4. 5 into 9 means 45, 45 divided by 4, which means 11, 1 by 4. Okay, 11, 1 by 4. The last question is, 3 1 by 2 times 2 1 by 4. 3 1 by 2 times 2 1 by 4. That's the last question. Okay. Here we convert both of these fractions. So 3 1 by 2 means 3 into 3 1 by 2 means 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2, which means 7 by 2. And 2 1 by 4 means 2 into 4 plus 1 by 2, which means 9 by 4. 9 by 2 and 9 by 4. Okay. So 3 1 by 2 means 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 into 2 1 by 4 means 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay. So we just multiply. First we convert 3 1 by 2 and 2 1 by 4 and we get 7 by 2 and 9 by 4. And 7 by 2 and 9, multiply the 7 by 2 and 9 by 4. Okay. So 9 into 7. So what is 9 into 7? 9 into 7 is 63. 63 divided by 7 into 9 divided by 4 into 2. Okay. Just multiply 7 into 9 by 4 into 2. So we get 7 into 9, 63. What is 4 into 2? 4 into 8, 63 by 8. So when we can convert this 63 by 8 into 7, 7 by 8. Okay. 7, 7 by 8. So here the 7 is remainder and 7, when we divide 63 by 8, we get the answer is 7 and 7 is remainder. 7, 7 by 8. Okay. So here also we just, here there are two simple fractions and we just convert this into 7 by 2 and 9 by 4 and just multiply 7 by 2 and 9 by 4. 7 into 9 divided by 2 into 4. 7 into 9 means 63 and 2 into 4 means 8, 63 by 8. Then we get 7, 7 by 8 is the answer. So here in this topic we just discussed five types of questions. Okay. So first we just convert this into fraction. Okay. So I hope all of you understand. You just do this 5 questions in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.